Hello, good morning, everyone. This is Teacher Che. This morning, we're going to learn about sounds. What is the meaning of the sound, and how does the sound made? And I will also provide some overview how the sound traveled to our ears. We all know that we have a lot of sources of sound. It comes from music, it comes from nature, from animals, from human, and even technology. Most often, if we are sad or if we are happy, if we want to relax, we just listen to our favorite sound or music that keeps our um, feelings good and revive. Okay, so this morning we're just going to read our vocabulary. So we have sounds, loud, soft, we have vibrates, natural made sound, and man made sound. We have pitch, we have drum, bird chirping, we have bell, whisper, and lightning. So as we go along, we're going to familiarize with ourselves with this vocabulary. Okay, let's go. So what is the meaning of a sound? Sound is a form of energy. Sound it came from two objects vibrate with each other and it travels in the air in the form of sound. Sound we hear is produced in sound waves. Sound waves are vibrations or movements of air. Different types of sound waves produces sounds at different pitches. So pitch is the highness or lowness of sound. Okay, so for the next slide, we're going to see how does the sound travel to our ears. So we have the sound wave will go to your outer ear. That's one, and this sound will go to your middle ear. Middle ear takes the sound waves and vibrates the eardrum. So it goes to the inner ear, sends the message to the brain, and the brain will process it, and that's the time that you could hear your favorite song on the radio or any sound that you could hear around you. Next is how does a sound made? So I will show you the example. So we have when a drum strikes, it makes sound. When a bell shakes, it rings. That's how a sound made. Next is we're going to identify what are the loud and the soft sound. When we say loud, has a high volume and it's not pleasant or it's not pleasing to our ears. And soft sound has a low volume and it is pleasing to our ears. So what are those examples? We have a megaphone that's a loud. Next is we have example of soft sound. The two ladies is talking, but they are just like whispering to each other. So that we consider that as a soft sound. Or you can have like reading a book, baby sleeping, that is considered as soft sounds. Okay, I do have here examples of instruments that that are made by man, or we call this as man-made sound. We have playing a piano, striking a drum, and a car. This is called man-made because this object manipulates by us or human. So by playing a piano, there is someone who played the piano. By striking a drum, there is someone striking a drum. But in a car, there is someone driving a car. There's a lot of examples actually for man-made sounds that you could think of. Next is we have howling of a wolf. This is also sound, strike of lightning, and chirping of bird. These are all considered as natural made sounds because it came from the natures, or it came naturally from within, like howling of a wolf. It came naturally from the wolf. Strike of lightning, it came from nature. Chirping a bird, and so on and so forth. There are a lot actually of natural made sounds. When we are talking to each other, if we are singing, that is natural made sound. And if you could hear the water from the spring or from the ocean, that is considered as natural sound. The rain pouring on your rooftop is also a natural sound. Okay, let's go ahead. So we're going to identify what are the loud and soft sound. So I do have here some example. We have this considered as loud. This girl is covering her ears. And what is considered as a soft sound? This one, the girl is reading a book or just reading. So I hope you understand what is the meaning of sound. How do you identify loud and soft sound, and as well as natural and man-made sound. See you soon again, and have a nice day. Be safe and stay at home. Thank you.